So, parinig ko sa inyo kung gaano kaingay yung aircon without this one. Sabay nating i-test itong bagong bili ko na microphone, which is itong Boya Mini 2. Upgraded super mini wireless microphone with AI noise cancellation. So, ang kasama niya is inside this box, merong manual and then itong USB-C. And then, I'm using the one microphone and maliit nga siya. So, as you can see, ganito siya. And then, ito yung kanyang casing. I think I got the silver one. Sa loob niya, andito pa yung isa. So, sa gitna yan nilalagay yung connector to the phone and then ito yung para dito sa isa. So, natest ko na siya kanina with my MacBook Air and what I like about it is pwede kong i-plug in na lang kasi type USB-C yung aking MacBook Air. So, direct ko na siya dun and then automatic pwede mo na siyang piliin from the microphone option. And since work from home kasi ako, I really need a good microphone na with noise cancellation kasi I usually record ng mga video trainings for my clients or for my team. And yung ginagamit ko before, nawala yung feature niya or basta hindi na working yung kanyang pagka-noise cancelling, maingay yung aircon.